By using one-sided limits, determine whether each limit exists. Illustrate your results geometrically by sketching the graph of the function. The function given to us is limit of x plus 3 divided by absolute value of x plus 3 when x approaches minus 3. So in this example, we'll first sketch the graph and then find the limit, right? So we had another example similar to this in which first we found the limit and then sketched the graph. Let's sketch the graph for the function x plus 3 divided by absolute value of x plus 3, right? And then we'll figure out the limit. Now let's define the function absolute x plus 3. The absolute value of x plus 3 can be written as plus of x plus 3 if x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0, and it is negative of x plus 3 if x plus 3 is less than 0, right? So that is how we define this function. Now this could be written as x plus 3 if x is greater than or equal to minus 3, right? Or minus of x plus 3 if x is less than minus 3. That means there is a discontinuity at minus 3, right? That is true. So when we divide this function, we can actually show it on a graph like this. The numerator is x plus 3. Now if you consider the point minus 3, let us say this is minus 3, then on the right side we have x greater than or equal to minus 3, then the denominator becomes x plus 3, correct? So on the right side the function is kind of x plus 3 over x plus 3, and on the left side the function is x plus 3 over minus of x plus 3. This is on the left and right side of minus 3. So when you divide x plus 3 by x plus 3, you get 1. So here we get 1. But if you are on the left side of minus 3, then you get minus 1. So with the whole here, we get minus 1. Do you see that? Now if you see the graph, then from the graph you can conclude that as you approach minus 3, from left side you approach a value of minus 1. But if you approach from right side, you approach a value of plus 1. Do you see that? So we can say that limit when x approaches minus 3 from plus side for x plus 3 over absolute value of x plus 3 is equals to plus 1. But limit when x approaches minus 3 from negative side for x plus 3 over absolute value of x plus 3 is equals to minus 1, correct? Since these two limits are different, they are not the same. While approaching a point at x minus 3, we say that the limit does not exist. Right? So that is an explanation. So we can actually graph it and then find the answer, or we can find the limit and then graph it. Either way, you get the same result. Thank you and all the best.